Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. The advancement of knowledge in any department, that is very good. But what is the aim? The aim is to glorify the Supreme Lord. Just like you are a lawyer. You gave us help in some difficulty trial. Why? Because we wanted to continue glorification of the Lord. That these men are doing nice. Why they should be harassed? But that means you help glorification of the Lord. So that's your success as a lawyer. So anyone who helps this movement, that they are spreading Krishna consciousness, God consciousness, they should be helped in all respect. And that is perfection. Everything is required, but it should be cultivated in the matter of glorifying the Supreme. Then it is good. In another place, find out this verse. Atapangvi dijasreshta parnasama vibhagasa sanusthitasya dharmasya sansiddhi harito. It's like you have helped this institution in a difficult position. That means you have pleased Krishna. That is your success. My devotees are in difficulty. They wanted some legal help. You as a lawyer, help them. So you have pleased Krishna, God. That is the aim of life. Whether by my work, in different spheres, as a lawyer, as a businessman, or as a scholar, as a philosopher, as a scientist, as an economist, there are so many different. It doesn't matter. But you should see whether you are successful. And what is the standard of success? The standard of success is whether you have pleased God. Read this. Atah pungvi dijasreshta.
Atah
pungvi.
Atah pungvi dijasreshta.
Find out this one.
Atah pungvi dijasreshta varnashram vipakjaha Vanusyasya dharmasya samsiddhi harito svanam. O best among the twice born, it is therefore concluded that the highest perfection one can achieve by discharging his prescribed duties, dharma, according to caste divisions and order of life, is to please the Lord, Hari.
That is it. That should be it. So, whether by my profession, by my business, by my talent, by my capacity, there are different categories. Whether I have pleased God, then it is. If you have pleased God by your legal profession, you are in a different dress, it doesn't matter. You are as good as they are whole-timely serving God. Because their business is also to please God. Similarly, if you have pleased God, then even by practicing your law, you are as good as the serving God. That should be the aim. Whether I have pleased God with my professional duty or occupational duty. That is the standard. Let people take up this. We don't say that you change your position. You become a sannyasi or you give up your profession and become bad-headed. No, we don't say that. You are by nature. So, this is Krishna consciousness. So you remain in your position. But see whether by your discharge of duties you have pleased God. Then everything is all right.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,